Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Linux Lab session. In this session, I shall cover the topic of soft and hard link in Linux operating system. A symbolic soft link is an actual link to the original file, whereas hard link is a mirror copy of the original file. If you delete the original file, the soft link has no value because it points to a non-existent file. But in the case of hard link, it is entirely opposite. Even if you delete the original file, the hard link will be still has the data of the original file. Okay, let me explain what is this concept practically. Okay, so let us go into the folder. Okay, so we have a file x.txt. So this is a file x.txt. I want to create a create another file and want to have a link between this file x.txt and the file which I am going to create. Okay, so let's say link x.txt, then let me say x1.x hard, okay, link dot txt. Okay, so this is the file yes hardlink.txt. so this is the original file x.txt, and we are creating a new file, and we want to create a link between them. Now ls-l, you can see there are two files. One is x.txt and another one is shardlink.txt. and if you see earlier when I did when we did not create the link, that time x.txt, after the file permission, you know already we have discussed this. This is the file permission. After the file permission, you see some number right here, 1, that is called link associated with the file. Earlier there was only one single link, but now after this particular command is executed, in which we created a link between these two files. Okay, when we execute the ls command, now it is showing for both the file the link is 2. Okay, so two files share the same data. Okay, now ls-i, okay, then now you can see this command is very important, ls-i-l. So what is this? We want to see the inode number. What is the inode? You can see chapter 9 and 10. In that I have explained the concept of inode. Okay, so for this file x.txt, okay, so this is the inode number. Okay, and since we created a hard link for this file x.txt with another file shardlink.txt, you can see both the files, they share the same inode. So inode has the details about the physical address, okay, physical location of the files in the storage device. So basically inode, both the files, they share the same inode. Now let's say let me print the x.txt. Okay, there is no file data in that. Let us populate some data inside this file. Okay, now we have given some data into the x.txt, but now I want to print the file um, s underscore hardlink.txt, but you see it is printing the same data. Why? Because both the files, they refer to the same inode. Do you understand? So what is inode? Basically it is a structure that points to the blocks that make up your file. So the files are stored in the storage device. So in which blocks this particular file is stored, that details are contained in the inode. So for this file x.txt, the inode number is this, and when we create the hard link, another file is created that also share the same inode number. Okay, now let me delete the x.txt file, and now you see hyphen I hyphen L. Even though I have removed the x.txt, the shardlink.txt still exists. When I print it's printing the data. So that means it's not affecting when you create a hard link, and when you delete a file, then it is not affecting the other file. Do you understand? It's a very important observation as far as the hard link is concerned. Now let us discuss another important concept, that is called soft link. Okay, now let me go to cd beta. There is a file a.txt. okay, you can see the inode number of this file. Now let me create a link hyphen es a.txt. okay, soft link.txt. ls hyphen I hyphen L. You can see there are two files now, a.txt and slink.txt, but the slink.txt has a soft link with the a.txt file. But the very important thing which you have to see is that both the files, they have different inode numbers, whereas in the case of here, when we create a hard link, both the files, they share the same inode number. It's a structure in the system which stores the list of blocks that contains these files. Okay, the data of these files. So now basically what we are discussing about the soft link. Okay, now let me open this a.txt. okay, so some issues with the file permission. So this one just you can ignore. I just want to give some file permissions to this a.txt. Change mode a plus rwx, all give readable writable permission to a.txt. So this thing you can do it when you want to change the file permission. Actually I tried to put some data into the file, but it was not allowing me. So what I did, I just gave full permission to all the users. Earlier you can see there was no executable permission and there was no write permission to the group, and there is no write and executable permission to others. So what I did is, like, I just gave the full permission to all the users. Okay, so now nano a dot, okay, if you want you can add sudo also, a dot nano a dot txt. Okay, then I am learning Linux, control O, enter, control X. Okay, so cat a dot txt. So you can see that we have entered some data into the file. Now we have to enter the data into a.txt. Let us print the yes link.txt. It's printing the same values. Why? Because these two files, they have a link, but that link is not hard, but it is soft. Understand? And they have different inode numbers. It's very important. But in the case of hard link, both the files, they share the same inode number. Okay. Now next one is I just want to delete the a.txt. Okay. And you can see the yes link.txt exists, but there's a change in the color. So let me print cat yes. Okay, it is when you create a soft link between two files, and when you delete a particular when you delete a file, then it affects the other file also. We are not able to print the yes underscore link.txt. In the case of the hard link, okay, you can see we deleted the x.txt original file, okay, but it is not affecting the hard link file, hard link.txt. Understand? So this is the difference between soft link and hard link. Do you understand? So let me summarize what we have discussed so far. We can create link between two files that can be hard and soft. So how to create a hard link? So this is the command link, okay, the original file, and the destination file to which you want to create the link. Okay, so this file actually did not exist before, but after this command this file would be created and a link would be created between the x.txt and shardlink.txt. Understand? Then after that, when you create the hard link, the point is both the files they would get they would share the same inode number. It is a structure which stores the information about the blocks, which contains the data for these files. Then another important thing is, when you delete a file, the source file, when you delete one file, it will not affect the other file in the case of hard link. Okay, you can see here I have deleted where did I delete? Just a minute. Here I have deleted x.txt, but when I print the hard link.txt, we are able to print it because it's not affecting the other file. Whereas in the case of soft link, okay, how to create the soft link? Link where is the command? So this is a command link -s, okay, source file and the destination file, okay, the target file to which you want to create a link. Okay, so here the important thing which you have to observe is that both the files will have different inode number, and if you delete one file, it will affect the other file. You cannot access the other file. You understand? So this is the important informations about the hard link and soft link. Thank you very much.